Hey guys, welcome back to Senshinouchi. I'm Shinitsuki and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to render clothes. Yeah. So a lot of beginner artists do this mistake, that is to just use the base colors for the clothes and to not touch it at all. Like where are the shades, where are the shadows, where are the lightings? Yeah. So that's what we're going to be doing today because a lot of people have trouble in rendering clothes, in coloring them. Yeah. So first we'll be having the basic sketch of the clothes. I'm using a simple basic skirt and a shirt. So first we are going to fill it up with the base color. I'm going to be choosing a sort of red for the shirt. Wait a sec. Yeah, I'm choosing red for the shirt, and then yeah, let me just bucket tool everything because I'm just lazy at the moment. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be using red. You can use whatever color you want, right? Red for the shirt, and I'll be using black for the skirt, but I'm going to draw the skirt in another layer. So yeah, I'm going to be coloring the skirt as black, but since black is a flat color, I'm going to be giving the base color as gray, like this. Yeah. So yeah, once we are done, I'm going to start with the shirt. Okay, I'm going to alpha lock it so that the brush doesn't go anyway outside the base color. So we are going to choose the base color, and we are going to choose a darker shade. So I've already told you guys I have this custom brush that I use for shading. I've already put it on my community tab once, and if you want it again, you can request me, put comment below. I can post it again. All right. Yeah. So first we are going to be choosing the dark shade, and we are going to be shading the areas where the light doesn't go. Yeah. So in areas like this, the hand that is behind, and the places that are tucked like this. Okay, in such places we will be shading. And yeah, here the clothes will get hung up near the armpit, so we are going to be shading there as well. And in these places the clothes they get what do you say, crumpled, so we are going to shade it on this area like this. And below the collar there's always there will be shadow, so there, and here as well. Yeah. And after we've done that, we are going to give shade to below the upper part of the shirt because this is a button up shirt. And after that we are going to be shading wherever the so basically since this is a women body, this part will be light and this part will be dark. And nope, just we are going to make a line here in the middle of the body, and we are going to like make the pleats like this, and we can shade the other parts except the middle one like this. Got it? I hope you get what I'm saying. And then we can mildly shade the middle part like this. Okay, and we are going to choose a darker shade, I mean, wait a sec, brighter one, and we are going to go over wherever the lights are, like this area, and the places above where the clothes are crumbled, like these places, these areas, and this area, right? And there, the shirt is done. And we are going to do the same thing for the skirt, except it's going to be far more simpler. So below the skirt, below the shirt, everything is going to be black. Yeah, because this is a black skirt and the girl has tucked it in. And here I've drawn the crumpled lines, the stitches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade the top portion as black like this, and the bottom portion also black. Okay, Since the girl is in this direction, she is standing in this direction, I am going to shade the left side fully like this, and the other parts I'm just going to gradually decrease the height like a graph like this. Okay, and the upper part which like this, and a single line like this, or you don't have to do it either. And that's it. That is a simple clothing, and this is how you render clothes simply so that it looks decent enough. This video is for beginner artists, but if you are an intermediate artist also, you can use this trick. So if you liked my content and found it helpful, you can like, share, subscribe, and comment below what you like to see next. Take care of yourself, drink lots of water, and bye.